Hey everybody, I wanted to talk to you about brain health, your nervous system structure, people that are depressed, anxious, losing your memory. You guys, if you're not currently moving or being active, and I'm not talking about just getting, 6,000 steps a day. I'm talking about activity where I'm holding my arms above my head, or I'm hanging onto some weights and walking around, or I'm doing some resistance bands, or something that's a physical motion other than just our normal day-to-day walking, okay? Guys, understand this, 90% of your brain's energy, 90% of it, and think of what your brain does. Your brain has over 30,000 billion chemical reactions that it controls in your whole body, 30,000 billion that it controls every second that happens in your body. Your brain is organizing all of that stuff. But here's the crazy part. 90% of your brain's energy, the calories burned from your brain, is actually spent on our physical body in relationship to the gravitational pull. Pretty amazing. So this book, Spark, I recommend this to everybody. You have to take care of your brain. And the best way to do that is by being more physically active every single day. If you're not, we need to start somewhere. If you're not capable of doing a whole lot, maybe I have a cane or a walker, you can still do so many different things. I know CrossFitters that literally don't have any legs and they still exercise. They still do all this crazy stuff. So we all have excuses. I have them myself. However, we have to get out and move more because that's how your brain is stimulated. 90% of the brain's energy is controlling this. We take it for granted, right? When I'm standing here, I'm not falling over because of gravity. It's all automatic. All of my muscles, tendons, joints are firing information to my brain constantly, keeping me balanced. It's pretty cool. So when you understand that 90% of your brain's energy and your brain's health is related to your physical body and movement, it kind of changes the whole game. So if I ever get, a little more depressed, I just start moving more. If I ever get a little more anxious, I start moving more. If I get stressed, I move more. If somebody's having memory issues, they need to move more. There's actually been studies done to where sedentary people are literally losing gray matter and white matter in their brain. Your brain deteriorates, it degenerates with lack of motion. So if I'm at a desk job and I work 8 hours a day on a computer, that's kind of dangerous, right? We have to figure out, if I'm sitting 8 hours a day, how do I move a couple hours per day as well? That's not easy. I'm not saying it's easy, but we all need to figure that out. Anything brain related, brain health, longevity, memory, all these fears we have as, when we get older of losing our memory and not even knowing what our name is sometimes, right? Some of the brain issues are some of the fastest growing health problems we've ever seen with the baby boomers. So Alzheimer's, dementia, all these things. So we have to take care of our brain. The best, easiest way to do that is just get more active. So definitely read this book. 90% of the brain's energy is spent controlling your physical body in relationship to the gravitational pull. Enjoy.